Hello and welcome back, Unocoiners. So as the market ups and downs continue to shake those trading charts of yours, a lot of us are getting worried about how to optimize our crypto trading portfolio. So here are a few quick tips and tricks that will help you optimize your crypto trading portfolio. Number 1. Eye some large cap crypto coins. First things first. So if you're looking to minimize your risk, the first thing you should do is invest your money in blue chip assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now why am I saying this is because of their established track record of so many years. Second, diversify your portfolio. Crypto portfolio should be like an Indian thali with all the varieties rich in different nutrients. You must ensure having a similar diversification so as to yield maximum returns and minimal distress on one as luck would have had it dysfunctional asset. Third, focus on long-term success. Third and the most important part is to focus on the benefits of the long term. And how do you do that? You look for the real world utilities of that particular asset. Now let's have a quick look at the things that you should avoid. First off, there is no such thing as profits are just made in bull runs. Even the bear market provides ample opportunities for you to learn and invest in most profitable way. Obviously the gains won't be as great as those in the bull run, but still they'll be counted as gains. Second, one thing you should take care of as an inexperienced trader is that never act on your gut feeling. Now they can be coincidentally right for you at times, but backing them with appropriate research will always save you from unforeseen losses, especially during a bear run. Third, do not overtrade. Always try to invest in quality projects. Hedge your risk and be insulated against any crypto winter chills that are coming your way. But guys, keep in mind that these are just a few tips and not any financial advice. So do your own research before investing even a single penny of your hard-earned money. Now go easy and swiftly optimize your crypto portfolio. And if you like this video, do not forget to like and subscribe to Unocoin's channel. See you in the next video.